Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an avocado toast bagel. The inspiration for this comes from the avocado toast at Einstein Brothers. I thought it tasted a little bit plain, just needed a little extra something, so I thought I could do it a bit better, and that's what this is. Also, avocado toast is just a nice, quick, simple recipe that makes you feel a little bit fancier in the mornings. So I figured someone could probably use this. So let's just get right into it.
You'll need sea salt, garlic salt, red pepper, an avocado, and a bagel. 2 bagels. Just kidding, I cut it in half. First step will be to toast our bagel. Don't trust anyone who prefers an untoasted bagel. They are probably aliens. While that's toasting, we'll move on to the avocado. Just go ahead and give that boy a slice. Watch your thumb. I almost cut off mine. I don't know what happened. And then take out the seed. That was easy. Next, scoop out its internal organs. This video is taking a weird turn. Anyway, put those in a bowl, or if you have a mortar and pestle, you can put it in that instead. And then mash it up as if it's an old man yelling at you, a helpless sales associate, about the coffee grinder that your store is not letting customers use due to a global pandemic sweeping the nation, but he doesn't seem to care and instead thinks it's all your fault that his life has been mildly inconvenienced. Alright, breathe, Caden. It's not the avocado's fault. Just mash it up until you have a nice, smooth paste. Unless you like avocado chunks, then feel free to leave some in there. I honestly have no idea what Mango grabbed. The cutting board had been washed. These are my salt and pepper pugs. Add a little bit of pepper and salt to your taste. And then just go ahead and mix it up. Now that our bagels are done, we will pull them out of the toaster oven. Ah, yes, perfect. Now we'll go ahead and take that garlic salt and just sprinkle a little on the bagels. You can also use garlic powder if you just want a little less salt. Then we will spread the avocado on each half of the bagel. I'm sorry it's off screen, I don't know how to YouTube. And there you go, lovely. Now for some sea salt. Just a little bit, however much you want really. And some red pepper, just to add a little bite, and it makes it look really pretty. Oops, that didn't work out. Don't be like Caden, make it nice and spread out. Just to shake things up a bit, I'm gonna add an orange pepper thing. That's a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of extra spice. I did really small chunks, it was actually a little underwhelming, so if you want a bit more pepper flavor, I would suggest doing larger strips. And then real quick, we'll just throw those right on top. So if you'd like, you can leave it right there for a vegan or vegetarian option. However, I'm gonna add one more thing to it. Time for an egg. Just crack it in there. Let it cook. Add some pepper. A little bit of salt. Get distracted by your cat, who really wants you to feed her even though there's food in her bowl already. And once your egg white is no longer clear, just gently place it on top of your bagel.
go. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, let me know down below if you like this video so that I know to keep doing it. And subscribe if you want to give Mango a pepper. Otherwise, I will catch you next time. See ya.